A phone that's perfectly pocket-sized. It's reliable and water-resistant. Built for fun. Built for life. Use the cover screen to take calls, respond to texts, check notifications, and more. Capture videos, photos, and now portraits. Flex mode holds the camera position, so you don't have to. Adjust and snap hands-free selfies. Or press record for smooth, stable videos. Your best angles and every gesture are sure to be seen. This phone truly holds its own.
Or screen. Use multi-window to open 3 windows at once and quickly compare side by side, resize, rearrange, and easily drag and drop content from one app to another. Flex mode lets you tackle 2 things at once, like watching a video and messaging friends. This compact phone is built with a firm frame and is water and scratch resistant to take on the day. Use your S Pen to help you be more productive. Write with the familiar pen-to-paper feeling and transform handwriting into text. Unfold an immersive 7.6-inch screen. Pair that with a high-speed processor,
Power to keep tasks moving with precision, and the first ever S Pen made specifically for a foldable phone. Edge-to-edge viewing and innovative under-display camera means 0 distractions. Designed to last with a stronger display, aluminum frame, and water resistance. 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth gameplay on a large 7.6-inch screen. A workspace, a theater, and a game room folded into your pocket. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G.